In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Asana AI to quickly create rules that automate your tasks and workflows, making project management faster and easier. Start on desktop and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, open the project where you want the automation to live so the rule applies in the right place. In the top right corner of your project, click Customize. This opens the panel where you can manage fields, views, and most importantly for today, rules. Under the Rules section, select Add Rule. If you see an option to enable AI Studio, toggle it on so you can use Asana's AI-powered rule builder. Then click Create with AI Studio. You'll see a Guidance for AI box. This is where you describe what you want the automation to do in plain language. Keep it clear and action-oriented. For example, you might write, automatically assign tasks when a new task is added, or move tasks to in progress when their due date approaches. Short, specific sentences work best and help the AI propose an accurate rule. Next, refine the rule using the when, check if, and do this fields. When defines the trigger event, such as task is added to this project. Check if is optional and lets you narrow the scope, for example, task has an assignee. Do this specifies the action you want taken, like move task to in progress section. These three pieces work together. The trigger starts the rule, the check filters it, and the action delivers your outcome. If you need inspiration, think back to your guidance text and align your selections so they match the intent. When your rule looks right, click Publish to activate it. Publishing turns the configuration into a live automation, and you can always return to edit or pause it later if your process changes. Now it's time to test. Add a task that meets the conditions you set. For instance, create a new task in the project with a due date approaching or an assignee, depending on your rule. Within moments, the AI-generated automation should run, and you'll see the task move sections, get assigned, or update based on your chosen action. If it doesn't behave as expected, revisit the rule and adjust the guidance or the conditions for a better match. You've successfully created an AI-powered rule in Asana to automate your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.